Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Capture One detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Capture One from your computer, begin by closing the application if it is currently running. On Windows, open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel, click on Programs. Next, select Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of install. Follow the prompts in the Uninstallation wizard to complete the process. Once the uninstallation is finished, restart your computer to ensure all components are removed. For Mac users, start by closing Capture One if it's open. Open the Finder by clicking on the smiley face icon in your dock. In the Finder, navigate to the Applications folder. Locate the Capture One application icon. Drag the Capture One icon to the trash, or right-click and select Move to Trash. To remove any leftover files, click on Go in the Library folder, check the Preferences folder for any Capture One related files. If found, drag those files to the trash. Also, check the Application Support folder in the library for Capture One folders to delete. Finally, empty the trash to permanently remove Capture One from your Mac. Restart your computer to finalize the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.